How Moltbook AI agents form social networks. Discover the fascinating mechanisms behind how AI agents like those in Moltbook create and manage their own social networks, enhancing skills in AI communication and collaboration.
Did you know that AI agents are not just isolated units but can actually form their own social networks? Welcome to a new era where autonomous communication among AI can shape the future of technology. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Moltbook AI agents and explore how they create and manage social networks. This knowledge is critical for anyone interested in developing cutting-edge AI systems capable of efficient communication and collaboration. By the end, you'll understand the mechanisms behind AI-driven social network formation, setting the stage for more advanced AI applications.
Moltbook AI agents are at the forefront of autonomous systems. These agents are designed to mimic human-like social behavior, enabling them to form complex networks. They leverage sophisticated algorithms to interact with each other, making decisions based on shared data and experiences. This autonomy allows them to simulate human social interactions, which is pivotal in forming dynamic social networks. By understanding the foundational elements of these AI agents, we can grasp how they contribute to the broader field of AI research and development. Moltbook's platform, recognized for its innovation, provides a unique environment for these agents to thrive. The formation of social networks among AI agents is a sophisticated process. At its core, it involves complex algorithms that define how nodes, or agents, connect and interact with each other. These networks mirror human social structures, with nodes representing individual agents and connections symbolizing the relationships between them. Data sharing is fundamental to the network's growth, allowing agents to learn and adapt from each interaction. Over time, these networks evolve dynamically, constantly reshaping and adapting to new information. This mirrors the fluid nature of human social networks, showcasing the advanced capabilities of AI systems. At the heart of AI network dynamics are powerful algorithms that enable learning and adaptation. Machine learning plays a crucial role, allowing AI agents to refine their interactions continuously. Reinforcement learning, in particular, optimizes these interactions by rewarding successful communication patterns and penalizing inefficient ones. This process helps the AI to predict future network changes and adapt accordingly. By learning from past interactions, AI agents can improve their decision-making processes. The ability to dynamically adapt to new information is what makes these networks robust and efficient, setting the stage for more advanced AI applications.
To understand the real-world impact of AI networks, we can look at several case studies. In social media, AI networks analyze vast datasets to understand user behavior and preferences. Autonomous vehicles use AI networks to communicate with each other, enhancing traffic flow and safety. In healthcare, AI-driven networks improve patient outcomes by analyzing medical data and predicting treatment success. Smart cities leverage AI networks for efficient energy consumption and transportation management. These case studies demonstrate the diverse applications of AI networks, showcasing their potential to revolutionize various industries.
Despite their potential, AI social networks face significant challenges. Data privacy remains a primary concern, as these networks often require access to sensitive information. The ethical implications of AI decision-making also need careful consideration, especially when these decisions impact individuals. Developing robust networks is complex, requiring a deep understanding of both AI technology and human social dynamics. There's also the risk of bias in AI interactions, which can skew results and outcomes. Transparency in AI processes is crucial to addressing these challenges, ensuring that AI networks are both effective and ethical. Autonomous networks offer numerous benefits that are transforming how we interact with technology. They enhance decision-making capabilities by processing data faster and more accurately than humans. This efficiency in communication streamlines operations across various sectors, from healthcare to transportation. The scalability of AI solutions means they can be applied to different contexts and industries without significant modification. Autonomy reduces the need for human intervention, allowing for continuous operation and innovation. These networks not only foster technological advancement but also open new avenues for research and development, making them a cornerstone of future innovation. Looking to the future, AI networks are poised to become even more integrated into our daily lives. We can expect these networks to become increasingly human-like, with more natural interactions and decision-making processes. The integration with Internet of Things, IoT, devices will enhance connectivity, allowing for seamless data exchange and improved functionality. Personalization will become a hallmark of AI interactions, tailoring experiences to individual needs and preferences. We will also see AI networks play a role in augmented reality applications, offering immersive experiences in various fields. As these networks evolve, they will continue to drive smarter systems and applications. Building AI social networks requires the right tools and platforms. Popular development environments like TensorFlow and PyTorch provide robust frameworks for creating AI networks. Open source tools offer customization options, allowing developers to tailor networks to specific needs. Integration with cloud services like AWS or Google Cloud enables scalability, ensuring networks can handle large amounts of data and users. Tools for monitoring and optimizing networks are crucial for maintaining performance and efficiency. For those looking to develop skills in this area, numerous resources are available online, making AI network development more accessible than ever. As we've seen, understanding AI networks is crucial for anyone interested in the future of technology. These networks have diverse applications, from healthcare to smart cities, but also come with challenges that need addressing, especially concerning ethics and transparency. The future trends we explored offer exciting opportunities for further innovation. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into AI social networks. Please share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more content, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Your engagement helps us improve and provide content that matters to you.